Hello students, welcome to your science class. This is the syllabus of science for the midterm. The page numbers are mentioned here. Okay, this page numbers only you have to study from these chapters. Now let us recall what we did in the previous class. We did revision of chapter 1, eating habits of animals, and also chapter 2, safety and first aid. Today we will do revision of chapter 3, housing and clothing, and also chapter number 4. First let us start with chapter 3, housing and clothing. From this chapter we learned about some qualities of good and a clean house, and also about cloths and fibers. Okay, the topics which we have discussed in the revision videos, okay, those are only you have to study for this term. Yes, so the topic, let us discuss it about good and clean house. Let us discuss some qualities of a good house. Okay, a good house should have doors and windows to let in fresh air and enough sunlight. Okay, all the rooms in a house should be airy and well lit. Open spaces like veranda, balcony and lawn make a house airy. Next, a house should be kept clean. A clean house helps us to stay healthy. Doors and windows should be fitted with wire mesh. Wire mesh allows the entry of sunlight and air but stops the entry of insects like mosquitoes and flies. And there should be proper drainage system that carries dirty water away from the house. A good house should have green plants around it. Next, let us learn how to keep a house clean. Okay, a house should be swept and mopped every day. Phenyl should be mixed with water to mop the floors. Okay, so this keeps the germs away. Next, garbage should be thrown into dustbin. Dustbin should be kept covered with lids. And toilets and bathrooms and wash basins should be cleaned regularly. Drains of kitchen and bathroom should be well covered to keep cockroaches and mosquitoes away. Things should be kept at their right place. So these are the ways how to keep a house clean. Next, let us discuss about cloths and fibers. Okay. Why do we wear clothes? To cover our body and protect ourselves from heat, cold and rain. Clothes also protect us from insect bites. They also make us look good and smart. Yes. Clothes are made from some fibers. There are two types of fibers, natural and man-made fibers. Natural fibers are what? The fibers that are obtained from plants or animals. For example, cotton, jute, silk and wool. These are some examples of natural fibers. And the natural fibers which are obtained from plants, they are called plant fibers. And which are obtained from animals, they are called animal fibers. Yes, the examples are given in the book. Next, man-made fibers are made by men. For example, nylon, polyester, rayon, acrylic, all those. Okay, and those were the important topics of chapter 3. Next, let us move to chapter 4, soil. Okay, from chapter 4 we learned about soil, what soil contains and the uses of soil. And from the formation of the soil only you have to study for this term. Okay, the topics which we will discuss, you please put a mark in your book. Okay, those are the important topics. How soil is formed? Soil is formed by the breaking of big rocks. Okay, big rocks break into smaller pieces because of the heat of the sun, wind, water and cold weather. The pieces of rocks continue breaking down for many years till they become tiny particles. Thus, tiny particles of soil mix with dead plants and animals, and this gradually results in the formation of soil. It takes thousands of years for rocks to become soil. Okay, so and formation of soil is a continuous process. Next we have about types of soil. Okay, there are three types of soil: clay soil, loamy soil, and sandy soil. And clay soil, it mostly contains clay particles. Okay, it is smooth and soft to touch, and it can hold a lot of water. So mostly used to make clay pots and clay toys. Next, loamy soil is a mixture of sand and clay, which is good for plants as it contains enough air and water. And sandy soil contains sand particles. Okay, it is rough to touch and found in deserts, which cannot hold much water. Next we have what soil contains. Okay, so soil contains water and air also, and it also contains humus. So what is humus? The remains of dead plants and animals present in the soil are called humus. It makes the soil fertile and good for plant growth. Humus also helps to hold water. Okay, farmers add manure to soil because it is rich in humus. Okay, manure is made up of cow dung and decaying leaves. So next we are given an experiment that soil contains water. Okay, and soil also contains air. Yes, the next topic is uses of soil. Soil is very useful. Okay, it is a natural non-living things which is very useful. It provides water and nutrients to the plants to grow. Next, soil is home to many animals like earthworms, ants, termites, snakes, rats, moles, and rabbits. Okay, it is used to make bricks, pots, diyas, and kacha houses also. So these are the main uses of soil. Okay, and with this we are going to conclude today's class. Today with the revision of chapter 3 and 4. In our next class, we will do revision of chapter 5 and 6. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.